definitely, in my view, don't take a 5 years fixed or a 4-year fixed or a 3-year fixed. One is what I would recommend, so that by the time the rates start to go down, you're up for a renewal and you can ride the wave going down the variable or take another short term. So don't be tempted to lock into a fixed rate today just to get a payment relief, okay? Because you're going to regret it later, is where I'm going with this.
Right, because we're saying if it's projected, even if it's like the rate cuts are expected, like say it happens in 2024, you want to ride the way down. And if you lock yourself into a 4-year fixed right now, then you're locking in at a higher rate that could be dropping. It's expected to drop actually in 2024 or even earlier.